Hello everyone, welcome once again from my channel Work From Home Dad, and today I am presenting to you a new product from Brandon Mess. The name of the product is Formula 10K. Okay, so this product is really going to help you to make 10K a month easily, and here I'm going to explain how it's going to help you, as well as I'm also going to tell you give you lots of bonuses. Let me give you a look to the bonuses here. There are 10K a month income formula. This is another product from another guy named Kanzai, and this is what I'm going to give away to you for free, and also few other bonuses. But let's talk about the product first. So let me take you to the product page. So here's the product page of Formula 10K. It says, are you feeling frustrated online and getting zero results? 8 wins is equal to an influx of 10,000 per month passive direct into our accounts. Formula 10K reveals a beginner friendly method that literally took Felipe from seeing zeros in his account to 500 per day plus per day, earning and how to replicate it in less than 10 minutes. So this product, no expensive software, no experience required, no BS. So this product is going to really help you if you are a newbie. Then especially this is designed for you, because this product is especially for the newbies, people who are struggling online and are not making good money online. So if you are that person, then you must take action on this product and you should buy this, because it's 100% UV friendly, fail proof method of making money out of thin air. Automated, we do it once and get paid over and over again. Works like a charm in 2020. So you don't need to be worried about the corona thing, and you are still going to get paid because it's going to be work in 2020. No websites or techy stuff, free traffic on demand, 30 days money back guarantee. So for any reason, if you are not, if you think that this product is not for you, you can just ask for the refund, and their guys are going to give you a no question asked refund. This is what I love about the internet marketing thing, because these guys are so uh, motivated about their products, and they are so motivated to help their customers that they offer a 30 days money back guarantee. This is not available in other industries, but these guys are providing these kind of guarantees. So let's jump into the product a bit more. Here are few results. People are making really good money. Okay, 24/7, 365 days, lots of payment screenshots. And the reason 1 0 to 10K in 30 days without Formula 10K, with Formula 10K. It has 10K in the title because this is exact method that Flippe. There is a case study in the course. Once you buy the course, you will get the case study of the guy named Flippe, and he's going to show you that how he had made 10K within 30 days. He was in the same position as any beginner only a moment ago, and now he's killing it. So this truly has a track record of going from 0 to 10K. It has a formula. Now I'm reading this reason 2, 100% duplicatable method. This is the thing people are looking for right now, because people want the things to be duplicatable, so they could outsource the stuff to their VAs, and they could make the money while sleeping. So let's talk about this duplicatable method. It has a formula in the title because this method is 100% duplicatable. There is no complicated steps and no expensive softwares. Literally, you could set this up in 8 minutes with zero in additional cost and fees. And there is a formula here. And even beginner could do this. Just ask Felipe, because he was beginner right before implemented this. Okay, so let's talk about some bonuses what I'm going to offer you. So make this deal no brainer for you, because you're going to get this product, even my bonus. But before the bonuses, I must tell you about the funnel. So here is a review of the funnel that you're going to get this for 12.93 bucks. The training show Felipe. This is a case study about Felipe. Went 0 to 10,000 monthly online. All of his tricks, secrets, and strategies he learned along the way. One time offer number one is for 37 bucks. It's done for you funnel. So it's up to you if you would like to speed up your process, and if you would like to take action on the one time offer number one, you can go ahead and purchase it and take a look at this. One time offer number two, done for you money pages, 67 bucks. The same money pages we are using to get leads into our businesses. So this is the one-time offer number 2 from Brandon, and this is the one-time offer number 3 for 97 bucks. One-time offer number 4 for 197 bucks, and audio number 5 for 197 bucks once again. So these are completely optional. If you think that you are not you don't need this stuff, you don't need one time offers, then still you can get front end offer, means you can still get the flippage this product and 10K a month formula, and where you are going to get this training, and this is just for 12.93 bucks. So it's for 12 bucks only. Okay, and here are the details for my bonuses. Here is the book, 10K a month income formula. This is a book written by Hanzai. I have purchased the resale rights of this book, so I could offer this. I have spent thousands of dollars to get these products, resale rights. These products are exclusively from this guy Hanzai, a 17 years old boy who's making a lots of money online. These courses are from that guy. I have purchased the resale rights to offer it to you. So he's selling this product is for 359 bucks, so you are going to get it 100% free. This is just the bonus number 1, and let's talk about the bonus number 2. The bonus number 2 is again from Khanzai Easy Product Creation Blueprint. He is selling this for 97 bucks, but you are going to get it for 100% free. If you decide to purchase from these links, if you decide to purchase from my affiliate links from the bonus page, you can look in the description for the bonus page, and you can buy it from a bonus page, and you are going to get instant bonuses once you make the purchase using my links. So these bonuses are going to deliver to you directly. Okay, so the bonus number 3 is Facebook ad empowerment. This is the product by Khanzai once again, 265.19 bucks. This product is still being sold for this price. If you would look for this on Khanzai's website, this product is still being sold on this price. But I'm going to go for you this one 100% free along with other bonuses. Bonus number 4, Idea Creation Hub. This one is being sold for 97 bucks, but you are going to get it for free if you decide to purchase 10K a month formula from my link, of course. And bonus number 5 is Messenger Bot Secret. How you can dominate this new thing, this new messenger thing. I'm going to offer you this one is being sold for 385.67 bucks, but you are going to get it for free. You are going to get these exclusive bonuses for free if you decide to buy 10K a month formula, 10K month formula from me. This product of Khanzai, if you decide to buy this product, sorry, this product of 10K a month formula from Brandon Mess. If you decide to buy this using my affiliate links, which are here available on my bonus page, so if you decide to buy this, then you are going to get these bonuses. There's a timer, so you need to buy this before the timer hits 0. And here I have added the details on the bonus page how you are going to get access to the bonuses. So this thing is going to be completely automated. You are not going to be wasting any time in reaching to your bonuses. Okay, so think about it. If you think like this, then hit the like button on the video. Please subscribe to my channel, so I will keep on uploading lots of content about make money online, and I will be adding up lots of value to your life for free. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and pick up this product if you think this is a good fit for you. Okay, talk to you real soon. Bye, Khan was here.